Hi, welcome to Apsana classes. Today in this video, let's know about VI characteristics of reverse bias. Reverse bias is nothing but the diodes giving the cathode terminals to positive terminal of the battery and the anode terminal to negative terminals of the battery. So this is about the circuit diagram, circuit design for VI character to get the VI characteristics of reverse bias. So what is the VI voltage and current characteristics of diode here? Let's know. We know that uh, in a PN diode, we give negative terminal to positive, P type, and positive terminal to N type, right? This is the junction. So whenever we increase the voltage, then this majority charge carriers will attract towards the terminals because they are of opposite charges. See holes of positive where it is a negative terminal. So both are opposite. So they attract each other, right? And here majority carriers are electrons which is having the negative sign. So charge. So they attracts towards positive terminal of the battery. So to get the high currents flow in the circuit, we need to increase voltage at high levels. So see, up to then the very low amount of current will flow because the current is contributed by minority charge carriers initially the current is by minority charge carriers. In the reverse bias of PN junction, I told you about this concept. And see, so minority charge carriers will flow, so very less amount of current is mm, flowing before breakdown voltage. Then what is breakdown voltage? Let me also tell about that. So see, we take IR, reverse current, on y axis and reverse voltage on x axis. So as they both are in the reverse, so we take in first, second, third quadrature of the graph. Third quadrature. So I told you y axis on IR we take, right? IR, here it is VR. So see, while increasing the currents, very little amount of currents flows initially with the minority charge carriers. So while increasing the voltages, just voltage increasing the voltage like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, just increasing, but there is no change in currents, just they are flowing very less. After certain voltage, there is very sharp increase in very sharp and constant increase in um, currents because the breakdown has happened where depletion region will eliminate, so the current flown by majority charge carriers is drastically. So if it is a silicon, the germanium, there is a, of course, more increase than silicon. So this is about the characteristics of silicon and a germanium. Yes, this is about the VI characteristics of reverse bias. When we apply, there is a little amount of the current flows with a minority charge carriers and then drastically increases after the breakdown. This is a breakdown region. This voltage, this fixed voltage is called as breakdown voltage, cutoff voltage, we can say cutoff. There in the forward bias characteristic VI characteristics, it is called as cut-in voltage. In here, cutoff voltage, cutoff voltage. And this mechanism is breakdown mechanisms, and I'll briefly tell about the breakdown mechanisms of and in further we have two breakdown mechanisms, Zener breakdown mechanisms and avalanche breakdown. So let's discuss briefly about in the next class. So this is about the VI characteristics, voltage and the currents, how the voltage and the currents changes with increasing of the external voltages with minority charge carriers and the majority charge carriers. There is a little amount of the current flows before the breakdown voltage only due to minority charge carriers. So it is very little, very little. So after crossing the voltage of the cutoff voltages, there is a sharp increases due to majority charge carriers. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.